Hi guys, this is Rajat Vikram Pradhan and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Hello guys, I welcome you to another video on nouns. In our previous videos, we had learnt about nouns, the different types of nouns. And in this video, we are going to learn about attributive nouns and verbal nouns. So what are attributive nouns and verbal nouns? Let us learn. See, abstract nouns can be formed from adjectives, common nouns and verbs. So if an abstract noun is formed from adjective or it is formed from a common noun, we call them attributive nouns. But if a abstract noun is formed from a verb, then we call that a verbal noun. So to get a more concise definition, we can say attributive nouns are the nouns which are derived from adjectives and common nouns, and verbal nouns are the nouns which are derived from verbs. We will go into a little bit more detail into both of these in some time. So we will start with attributive nouns. So attributive nouns are nouns which are derived from adjectives and common nouns. If you do remember, adjectives are the words that describe another word or they qualify a noun, and common nouns are the words that are the names of a general type of object. See, here I have taken 5 adjectives. The first adjective that I have taken is intelligent. So to change this adjective into an attributive noun, I have to add a suffix. So what is a suffix? Suffix are letters that we add to the end of each word to make another word. I'll repeat again. Suffix are, these are letters that you add to the end of a word to make another word. Like for example, this word intelligent, I will add the suffix "-ence" to it. So the word intelligent becomes INTELLIGENCE. So as you can see here, let's make this a bit bigger. I added the suffix "-nce" to it, and this adjective became a attributive noun. Similarly, I will take another adjective, happy. I will add a suffix "-ness" to it, and what will this word become? This word will become happiness. See, happy was the adjective, happiness is the attributive noun, or it is an abstract noun. Then I will take another adjective, kind. Can you guess which suffix I should add to it so that it becomes a attributive noun? Well, the suffix is again the same, ness, kindness. Then the fourth word, accurate. Here I will add a suffix cy to it, ACCURACY. Now accuracy is a attributive noun. Now the fifth word, arrogant. Arrogant means a person who looks down on others, means who thinks he is superior to others. Here I will add again a suffix and I will convert this into a attributive noun, ARROGANCE, arrogance. So arrogance is a attributive noun. So here I took 5 adjectives and I converted them into 5 attributive nouns. Now again, if you remember, I had spoken that you have to attributive nouns are formed from adjectives as well as common nouns. See, here I have taken 5 common nouns. The first common noun that I have taken is bag. So we will add again a suffix to it. And what is the suffix that I will add to it? AGE. B-A-G-G-A-G-E. Baggage. Then again king. The suffix that I will add to is dom. K-I-N-G-D-O-M. Kingdom. Then child, I will add hood. C-H-I-L-D-H-O-O-D. Childhood. Again friend, the suffix that should be added to it is ship. Friend, ship. And the last one is also similar. You add ship to it and it becomes membership. So that's all. So these are five common nouns which I converted or changed into attributive nouns. Now if you have understood these, try to practice these questions that I have given. Change these two common nouns and adjectives into attributive nouns by using suffixes ness, ee, hood or ans. See, the first one will be greatness, the second one will be brilliance, mother will be motherhood, train will be trainee. Now we will move to verbal nouns. So what are verbal nouns? Verbal nouns are nouns which are derived from verbs. So what are verbs? Verbs are words that denote action. Like right now I am speaking. Speaking is a action. This actor is acting. Acting is an action. So here I have taken a verb act. So I will repeat the same thing again. I will add a suffix to the word act. So now the word act becomes action, which is a verbal noun. Similarly, I will take another verb prevent and I will add a suffix to it, and what will be the suffix be? ION. So the word prevent becomes prevention, which is also a verbal noun. Now the third verb know. I will add a suffix leg to it and the word becomes knowledge. Now I hope you understood what are verbal nouns. Now from what you have learned, try to make verbal nouns from the following words or verbs: locate, create, survive. Well, I hope you learned something in today's video. To sum up what we learned today, attributive nouns are nouns which are formed from adjectives and common nouns, and verbal nouns are nouns which are formed from verbs. Well, I hope you learned something today, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, thank you for watching and bye bye.